the non-passage of confidence motion. The non-passage of what is that? Confidence motion. The non-passage of confidence motion. Okay. So what is confidence motion? What is no confidence motion? Confidence motion, no confidence motion is generally introduced by opposition party in the Lok Sabha. No confidence motion is introduced by government, right? Confidence motion is introduced by government to ascertain the confidence or majority in the Lok Sabha. Okay, what is the purpose of the confidence motion? It is introduced by the government to ascertain, to confirm the confidence or majority in the Lok Sabha. Got my point? So this confidence motion is very important.